You won't believe what I found in this short. This predator can stand right in front of you, and you still won't see it. Leopards are masters of stealth and camouflage. Their rosette-patterned fur helps them blend in perfectly with the grass, rocks, and trees. They move silently and stalk their prey just feet away without being noticed. Even during the day, they can disappear into the shadows like real-life ninjas. But leopards are not just fast and fierce. They are also incredibly elusive. When they vanish in plain sight, it's almost impossible to track them down. And that's why